Okay guys, Meta has just released their latest application called Hyperscape, and this application can turn any room into a photorealistic copy of itself. And you can do this all under 10 minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this for yourself. It is ridiculously easy, so follow along. So what exactly is Hyperscape? Well, it is an application that uses a technology under it, which is called Gaussian splatting. So it's kind of like a 3D vision technology. If you've ever walked in a video game before, you will see that everything is made up of these polygons, basically. The further we get into the generations, the smaller those polygons get and the more detailed everything looks. So Gaussian splats are these blurry blobs, basically, that stack up on each other, which visually eventually recreates a whole scene into the minute details. Now, first of all, you need a Meta Quest 3 to do this, of course. If you don't have a Meta Quest 3 yet, I've included a link in the description below for the Meta Quest 3 and the Meta Quest 3S. When you purchase it, you will also get $30 in Quest Cash, which you can use on any app or game that you desire. Now, we also have to verify that we are 18 years and older. Well, last time that I checked that was about 13 years ago, so I think I'm good with that one. Oh, by the way, let me know in the comments below, what are you going to scan first? Is it your house? Is it your garden? Let me know. All right, so I'm in the Meta Quest store, and let's search up for Hyperspace. We should be presented with two options, so download them both. Let's go to Gordon Ramsay's home kitchen. Oh, wow. Oh, this is a very... Look at the detail that he has captured. What? Oh, he's making, what is it? Lasagna or something? Chance the Rapper's living room? Oh, he got his own drum set. That's cool. Got like a mixed panel. Okay, so in order to capture your room, you go to create a world right over here. So basically you get an instruction in order to capture the room the right way. So walk along the edge of the room, moving one corner to the next, stop every few steps and look around the room while facing toward the center. So let's stand up. I cannot move this box, sadly, it's too big and my door frame is too small. We have to deal with this for now. Start a capture. So cover your space with the blue mesh. When enough of your space is captured, you'll be able to select next. Well, that's the center. Just gonna capture my living room area so I can feel my right controller vibrate as it's capturing details. Yeah, let's go over here. All right, so now we're going to do the detail capture. So we have to get up close with the objects. I think that's good. All right, so final touches, which is step 3. Look up to capture your ceiling. So I just have to look up to the ceiling, capture everything there. I'm just gonna hit next for the test. Let's do a reality rise room. Let's do that. All right, save this. So now it needs to upload. This is fairly quick, but the processing is what takes the most time, which can take up to pretty much 8 hours. Yeah, just be aware of that you're not like instantly ready for your room. It takes a bit of time. Okay, here we go. The Reality Rise living room. I'm in the box. Why am I in the box? Oh, this is so much better than my first rendition. This is... What? Whoa, man! Just look at the detail of the guitar. It's like there's no blurriness at all. Even the strings, like they are perfectly in place. Okay, my TV is a little bit weird though, the edges, but I can live with that. I can live with that. Maybe I moved a little bit too fast when I was walking from there to here, and that's what. Yeah, 5 stars, man. 5 stars. Even though I haven't captured my office setup, I was just focusing on the living room. It has brought in details.
My chair, I mean, it does look way lower quality. If you look at it, it just looks weird, the lamp and here. Hey, my chair is still pretty much intact though. Can I go there? I mean, yeah, it's blurry when you get close to it, but hey man, that's cool. And that's what I mean with the blurry blobs. You see that? It's like these lines that just stack up on each other and they recreate the objects in the environment. That is so cool to see. I mean, all the details on my table, like electronics and stuff, some papers, my toothpaste, and my couch, of course. Can I go there? Oh, I can even stand up on the couch. So maybe next time when I just push my table a bit more that way and then capture the details, then we will have a nice detailed table from every angle. I mean, I'm very pleased. I'm very pleased. Guys, can you just imagine? And they're bringing out the option where you can visit the places from your friends. This is going to be so cool. I'm genuinely excited when that is released. Oh, how about my hallway? Yeah, I haven't captured this place at all, but it's still kind of decided to make some details out of it. Like the objects around here, it's a little cluttered. I need to fix that, I know. But yeah, if I go here, okay, yeah, that's. You see, if you look at things from the angle where you weren't standing, tries to kind of like make a representation of how it should look like. So it looks a bit odd like this. You see the blobs and the lines. If you capture everything, every angle, I don't know till how far you can go, like how big you can go. But if you would do that and you would invest a bit of time, I think it's around 40 minutes of capture time that they say. So if you can fill that time with all the necessary details from every angle the right way, then you have like this big space where people can hang out, which is your space, which is your own creation. I freaking love this, man. I feel immersed, like I'm sitting on the couch, but it's as if I'm standing in my living room at the same time. This is so weird.
So Meta is currently also implementing a feature where you can invite friends over through a private link so they can visit your every creation in Hyperscape to enjoy together. So I don't know when this feature will be released. I'm checking it out right over here, but yeah, I cannot see anything yet. But yeah, so they are busy with the feature. So just remember, it's still an early access app. So I presume they're going to better lots of features within the app, maybe add some functionality or better capturing technology. I have no idea. It will only go up from here, and I'm excited to see what the future brings. Just for now, to leave you with this, after you have downloaded the apps, make sure your room is well lit, make sure there's no clutter, and make sure to move slowly for the best detailed captures. So yeah, I cannot wait what you guys are going to capture with Hyperscape, and when the share with friends feature is on, yeah, let me know. Maybe I will visit one of your worlds and you can visit mine. Also, do not forget to like the video so I can bring more awesome videos for you guys like this. Now, if you like these kinds of apps, I've also made a video about how you can turn 2D videos into 3D videos by using this app right here. I'll see you there.